They're still up there adding. We're just going to take an extra minute. Come on over here, judges. It's your lucky day. Leonard, Trent, been out building a tower for us at Firebird. Come on stage. We'll let the judges be right here on your knees. I guess. I don't know. I'm making it up as I go here. Tonight, it will be the top 7 that are going to be getting cash and roses. Try this again. Get Scott up there. Where's Scott? In the middle, of course. What a guy. Showtime, baby, showtime. Very cool. Well, I'm sure all of you got your favorites tonight.